Hi you guys, it's Toya and thank you for watching ToyaJTV. Today I'm going to show you how to correctly do a reconstructive treatment on your hair using the Bio Jones Creamy Custard Reconstructive Treatment. Some of the benefits of the creamy custard reconstructive treatment are that it softens and conditions the hair, it greatly reduces damage from harsh chemicals, it returns the elasticity to the hair, makes the hair stronger, and it also helps with flaky scalp. So I have already shampooed my hair, and so right now all I need to do is apply the reconstructive treatment. So my hair is already damp and ready for the reconstructive treatment. What I normally do is I get a very generous amount because you want to ensure that the reconstructive treatment goes on every single strand of the hair, and you especially want to focus on the ends. So as you can see, I'm getting a generous amount and I'm going back for seconds. And again, you want to make sure you get the ends of the hair because that is the oldest part of your hair, and especially if you wanting to see longer hair, then you want to make sure to get the ends so that they stay nice and healthy and you don't have to get them trimmed as much. Another great thing about this reconstructive treatment is that it actually helps you to detangle the hair, but you always want to start at the bottom and work your way up and use a wide tooth comb. So now I'm just going to get just a little bit more of the reconstructive treatment, and I'm going to add even more to my ends. Again, I cannot stress enough that you want to make sure that you are getting those ends very well. So right now I'm going to go ahead and put on my plastic cap, aka my plastic bag. Y'all know y'all have a drawer full of plastic bags, so don't front. All right, so I'm just going to put this on and I'm going to get all of the air out, and then I'm going to sit under the dryer for at least 30 minutes. This is the dryer I'm using, and I'm going to put it on warm. Okay, so I sat for 30 minutes and now I'm going to rinse out my hair. I'm rinsing it with cool water, and that just helps to seal all of that moisture inside the hair. And I'm making sure that I get all of it rinsed out of my hair very well. So you want to take your time in doing the rinsing. And there you have it. That's how you reconstruct your hair. So I'm going to style and everything later, but for right now, I'm just going to let it towel dry for a little while. My little one has asked me to watch Scooby-Doo with him for the 1,000th time, so I'll be doing that. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you all later. Bye-bye.